Hello everyone, my name is Archisha Gupta. My roll number is 21EE30007. I am from section 5 and for my assignment number second, I have created this circuit with the help of the Tinkercad software. I have created a fire alarm system using Arduino Uno, breadboard, gas sensor, temperature sensor, resistor, piezo, oscilloscope and LED. I have connected the lower voltage to the ground and the higher voltage to 5 volt, and I have connected the gas sensor to the A0 pin and temperature sensor to the A1 pin. For the piezo, I have connected the positive terminal to pin number 7 and negative terminal to ground, and I have connected oscilloscope with piezo negative to negative and positive to positive terminal. For the LED, I have connected the cathode with the ground and the second terminal with the pin number 13. And here is the code. From here, we can see that if the temperature is greater than 80, then the LED will be set high, and otherwise the LED will be low. And if the gas sensor is greater than 100, the piezo will be set high, and otherwise it will be set low. Now I will start the simulation. Here the smoke is near the gas sensor, so the value of gas sensor is very high, that is 347. It is very high from 100, so the piezo here is set high. If I take it away from the gas sensor, the value reduces to 85, which is less than 100. So now the piezo is set low. Now if we talk about temperature, the temperature right now is 24.78, which is less than 80. So now the LED is set low. But if I increase the temperature to 93 to 105.91, which is greater than 80, so now the LED is set high. Now I will copy this code into the Arduino software. I have copied my code here and now I will verify it. So it is now compiling. The compiling is done and there are no error in my circuit. So my diagram is complete. Thank you.